Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the drum counter on a Brother HL-L5200 printer. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to do is push down on the button to open the door. We're going to pull the door open. We're going to remove the drum and toner. They're going to come out together. Once we've removed the drum and toner, we need to separate the toner from the drum. And you do that by pushing, there's a little green tab on the side of the drum. Push down that little green tab and you'll be able to just separate the toner. We'll set our old drum off to the side. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum. Inside of every Onyx brand drum there are written instructions on how to replace the drum. Sometimes the bag doesn't want to cooperate. Okay, now that we got our new drum, we're going to install our toner into the drum. You'll feel it kind of click into place. Once the toner and the drum are together, there's a little green tab at the top of the drum. You're going to grab that little green tab and slide it back and forth along the entire length of the drum about 2 or 3 times, making sure that it ends in the same place that it starts. You'll see 2 little arrows pointing at each other. Once you've done that, you're going to reinstall the toner and drum back into the printer. Make sure it's firmly back in place. We're going to leave the front door open, and you're going to press and hold the OK button for about 2 seconds until the screen says drum unit. Once the screen says drum unit, you're going to press the up arrow, and that'll reset your drum. Once you do that, you can go ahead and close the door, and just like that, you're back up and printing.